Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 16, that is in the sky. You know, above our head, what it is? Yes, it is the sky. We live under the sky. In day, the sky blooms with bright sunlight and white clouds. And at night, there is the light of the moon, the white light of the moon, and the twinkling stars brightening in the sky. So, here we are going to explore the lesson in the sky. So, let's explore this lesson. What are the things in the sky? Here, first, we are going to study about the sun that we see in daytime. Then we are going to study about the clouds that brings rain. Then we are going to study about the moon that shines in the night. Then we are going to study about the bright twinkling stars that are visible in the night sky. So let's begin with this lesson. Here, brother, look at the sky. There are so many stars and the moon. Thus the story is saying to his brother that brother, look at the sky. There are so many stars and a moon. Then the brother says, yes, they look so beautiful. Tell me what you see in the sky during daytime. So, brother is asking, tell me what do you see in the sky in daytime? So the sister replied, the sun. She sees the sun in the sky at daytime. The brother says, right, you are correct. See, we see so many things in the sky. During daytime, we see the sun, while at night, we see stars and the moon. Sometimes we also see clouds in the sky. Yes. So, in daytime, we see sun, and at nighttime, in night sky, we see the moon and the twinkling stars. Sometimes we see clouds in the sky during daytime and during nighttime also. So let's move further. Here we are going to study about the sun. What is sun? The sun gives us heat and light. Yes, when we feel cold, we get heat from sun. When there is no brightness around us, we get the brightness, we get the light from the sun. It gives us heat and light. It is like a big ball of fire. How does the sun look? It looks like a big ball of fire. It rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So the sun gives us warmth. We get warmth during cold season, during winter season from sun. The sunlight is very necessary for life on the earth. Yes, it gives us vitamin D. It gives us light. It helps us in solar plants. And so we get sunlight of this. We get the light from the sun, and the sunlight is so much important to us. Now let's move further. So now let's talk about the clouds, the white clouds. Clouds are rainbow here. Sometimes we see clouds floating in the sky. Yes, we have seen sometimes those clouds floating in the sky. They look like a balls of cotton. Yes, they look like the cotton balls, light-weighted. Sometimes we see rainbow in the sky after rain. Yes, when the rain comes, we see the rainbow. When the rain drops and the sun rays meets each other, so the rainbow arises. Rainbow is like a band of 7 colors. How it is? It is like a band of 7 colors. Do you know this? All the 7 colors of rainbow? Yes, Vibgyor. So Vibgyor means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are the 7 colors of rainbow. So, now let's move further. Now, let's talk about the night sky. We see the moon in the night sky. So, the moon is seen in the night sky. It has no light of its own. Yes, the moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. So, it reflects the light of the sun at night sky It is not as hot and big as sun. Yes, the shape of the moon keeps changing every day. So it rotates. It is the natural satellite of the Earth. When its shape is like a round disc, it is called the full moon. Yes, this is the full moon. When its shape is like a rounded round disc. As the day passes, moon appears to become smaller until it's totally disappearing. Yes, as the day passes, it becomes smaller until it disappears from the sky. When there is no moon in the sky, it is called new moon. Yes. When there is no moon, it is known as the new moon. Now, let's talk about the stars. So, we see the stars in the night sky, they twinkle in the night sky. We see the stars in the night sky. Stars are very big, but they seem to be small because they are very far away from us. Yes, they are so big that they seem so small because they are too much far away from us. So they look small. There are numerous stars in the sky. We cannot count them. Yes, you cannot count the stars because there are n number of stars in that sky. It looks so beautiful. So now let's move to the next page. Now let's check your knowledge, what you have learned till here. Here is the very first question. Which star is the nearest to Earth? Moon, sun or pole star? Tell me the correct answer. Which star is nearest to the Earth? Yes, moon. Moon is nearest to the Earth.
Yeah.
Now, what do we see in the sky at night? Sun and rainbow, rain and moon, or clouds and sun? Tell me the correct answer. Yes, we see stars and moon in the night sky. So that's all. So till here we have learned about the sky, what the things we can see commonly in the sky. So everything in the sky is so much precious. The sunlight gives us so many things. Without sunlight, the plants cannot prepare their food. The moonlight gives us peace. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you have understand this lesson. See you in the next class.